Yeah. So we are doing unity method and we are on exercise 9B. We have done till question number 5. I think we have done more. I think we have done till question 6.
Sir, question number 5, 6.
6 we have done.
Sir, we were doing question number 6.
Okay.
Yes, sir, we were doing.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Keep your videos on, everyone. Yeah. How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Fine.
Nice, sir.
Fine.
Fine.
Very
Sir, how are you?
Fine, fine, fine. Nice to see you.
तुम्हारी भी आ गई थर्ड है हिंदी ग्रामर.
Ansh Patel, beta, keep your mic off. Okay, so let us start now. So we have completed question 6 or not?
No, sir.
Yeah,
No, sir.
Sir, we have completed.
Sir, completed.
Okay, no problem.
So we
Sir,
were doing that.
completed.
Sir, completed. Sir, Sir, I have completed. Sir, we have completed the answer about 20 minutes.
Okay. Okay. So many of you have done the question. Some of you are left. I think I have explained you the question already.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You have explained. Yes, sir.
Let us do question number 8 now. Question 8. Let us do question 8. I think someone was asking question 8 yesterday. Who was asking question 8 yesterday?
Angel Anand.
Angel. Okay. Angel Anand. Angel Anand, are you there? Angel Anand, are you there? Not there?
Sir, which question we have to do?
There are 26 students right now. Beta, please keep your mics off, everyone. Yes, very good.
Sir, which question we have to do?
We will do question 8. This is question number 8.
Okay, sir.
Angel Anand, I want to see if she's there or not because I am explaining this question. She was asking the question yesterday.
Sir, she is not here.
She's not here, oh my god. And I am about to explain the question. She only asked the question yesterday.
Yes, sir. One student is less.
Many are not there. Only 26 are there, and the strength of the class is 39. Maybe you can support only that. I'm having all this record with me. Please attend the classes, everyone. Yeah. So question 8. At the beginning of a month, a factory has enough materials to make 240 tons of steel in a month. So 240 tons of steel. Beta, this is just to explain you. You don't have to note it down like this. 240 tons of steel. 1 month means how many days?
30.
30
30 days.
30 days.
30 days.
Okay, now they are asking if you want to if the material is 60 more tons. This is what 240. In the beginning of a month, the factory has enough material to make 240 tons of steel. If 60 more tons of steel is to be made that month, how many tons of steel is more to be made? 60 more tons.
60 more tons.
Sir,
60 more tons. That means, what is the meaning of 60 more tons? That means now total how many tons of steel?
300.
300.
300.
300 tons of-
Sir, 300.
So this steel will be made in how much time? This you have to find.
30 multiplied by 240 upon 300.
This is the question. So in the question, it is indirectly asked. They have added. You have to add 60 into 40 on your own. In the question, they have just changed the language of the question a little bit. They have twisted the language, so that you have to find that for 300 tons of steel, how much time will be taken. Okay, so this is the question. Again, it is a question of inverse variation. So you can write the statements. Can you all write the statements on your own?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am doing the formality work here. You have formality work, the statement. I am not doing, sorry. I am not doing the formality work here of writing these statements that you will do on your own. I am just coming to the point. I am solving the question. The
sir,
question
the answer
will
is
be solved
24
with-
days.
This will be 30 into 240 upon 300. When you solve this, the answer will be 24 days. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Beta, please.
Sir, why we are not using 31 days in 1 month? Sir,
Because generally it is when we talk about 1 month, generally we take 30 days only. So
Okay, sir.
if there is an exception, it is always mentioned in the question. If suppose nothing is mentioned in the question, you have to take 30 days only.
Sir, because it's easy when zero
No,
is there.
not because of that, not because of that. That is a standard. It is a standard form, standard. What we say in 1 month. Generally, everywhere it is a standard that in 1 month 30 days are taken. Okay, everywhere
sir,
Okay,
am I
sir.
audible?
until it is mentioned.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sir, am I audible to you?
Sorry, your voice is not clear, beta.
Sir, am I audible to you?
Yes. Now you are audible, but the volume is very low. Volume is very low. Any question?
Excuse me, sir. Can you explain this question once again? I was not
Angel,
there.
beta, how were you?
Sir, I'm right here, but I'm not like my video is not switched on right now.
So when I was starting the question, I was looking for you because you were asking the question yesterday. I saw the names in the list, and your name was not there. So
I was a little late because like I was eating, so that's why I got late.
okay, you were having your breakfast.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, I have done the question. Sir, completed.
Yes, sir. The answer is also correct.
Sir,
Mine answer is also correct.
Sir, my also correct.
very good. Angel, beta, listen. I am explaining the question one more time for you.
Okay, sir.
240 tons of steel is made in 30 days. Okay. So 60 more tons of steel is to be made. So how many tons of steel is to be made now? 300 tons.
Okay, sir.
Sir, your video is paused.
No, it's not. It's very clear.
How
It
it
is not paused.
is
Is it
there
moving?
is more tons of
Now
sir,
it is
it's more
clearly
tons of-
visible.
No, sir, it is not paused.
Sir,
So yeah, now 300 tons of steel is to be made. How 300? 240 plus 60 more. That means 240 plus 60. Now 300. Angel, are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So
60 more
300
tons.
steel will take 30 into 240 upon
They
300.
have to make
Sir, why it is inverse variation? Sir,
that much only. So time taken
sir,
to take 300 tons is 31 days.
sir, the steel is more, so sir, days will be also more, sir, then why it is inverse variation?
So the days will be less because it is inverse variation.
But sir, why, sir? Because if more tons of steel is to be made in a month, sir, then more days will be needed.
So in the question, it was asking that a material is
Beta, the material is the same. See, listen to me. Material
Sir,
is
please
the
say
same.
everyone to mute themselves.
Beta, please mute yourself, all of you. There is some noise.
please mute them for voices.
Mute yourself. Aditya Mishra, Bhavya, and Utkarsh. I'm explaining the question. Someone was asking that why is it inverse variation? Let me explain.
Coming.
See, material is fixed. Material is the same. Same quantity of material you have. Earlier, you had to manufacture 240 tons of steel. Now you have to manufacture 300 tons of steel. So the same quantity of material is there. So if you are making more steel, the material will finish early. Same material is there. If you are manufacturing more steel from using that material is used to manufacture steel. So if you are making more steel using that material will finish early. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Talking about the material,
Yes, sir.
time taken
Yes,
to
sir.
make the steel. Okay. Understood why it is inverse variation?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can understand
No, sir.
the language, the question is not explained in the book clearly. The words which are used as statements which are used in the question are not very clear. So it is not easy to understand. That is why there is some confusion.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, if we have done the exercise, we can send it on the group.
Yes, you can send your work on the group to the class.
Sir, I am not able to understand why it is inverse variation.
Beta, who's there? Navya. Navya, beta, listen to me. See, if suppose it is a similar thing to that if you have some quantity of suppose food material is there. Some quantity of food material is there. Okay. Firstly, you were using that, suppose you had some, what do we call that? So, yeah, you have some, suppose quantity of potatoes. Some quantity of potatoes are there. That is fixed.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
I have potatoes with me. Now, if it is up to me that in how many days I can use those potatoes, the same amount of potatoes. See, if I make more dishes using those potatoes, the potatoes are going to last for less days or for more days. If I make more
Sir,
dishes,
less days.
so if I make more dishes using those potatoes, if the quantity that I make use to make whatever I'm making different type of dishes using those potatoes. Potatoes are used to make various dishes. So if I make more dishes, the potatoes are
Yes,
going to
sir.
last for less days. The same case is here also. There is
Yes,
some
sir.
material. Material is used to make steel. Material is used to make steel. So if you are making more steel out of that material, so material will finish early. Got it or not? So that is why there is inverse variation.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So now let us move on to question number 9. A contractor employed 210 men to build a house in 60 days. Question 9. There is a contractor, he employed 210 men to build a house in 60 days. Then what happened? After 12 days, he was joined by 70 more men. In how many days will the remaining work be finished? So let me explain the question first. The question says that there are right now there are 210 men. 210 men are there. These 210 men can build a house in 60 days. 60 days mein they are going to build a house. After 12 days, that means how many men work for 12 days? 12 days तक कितने आदमियों ने काम किया? जो भी कहानी that happened after 12 days. So for 12 days, how many men worked? 210 men worked.
210.
210.
12 days, 20 men arrived. So if suppose 70 men are not arriving, that means these 210 men have already worked for 12 days. That means 48 days work is still left. So if 210 men are only working, no more men are going to come. So that means 48 more days are going to, they are going to take 48 days more to build the house, because they have already worked for 12 days. That means 48 days more are required to build the house if only 210 men are working. But what happened? 70 more men came plus 70 men. These men came. Now how many men are there? 280 men are there.
280.
So if 280 men are there, then they will build the house in how many days? This is the question. So this first thing, what they have given here, this is only to confuse you. The first thing which is given here, it is only to confuse you. The main question lies in these two statements. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
I will explain one more time. First, tell me how many of you have understood till now.
Me.
Sir, I have understood the question.
I have understood. Understood the question.
Understood.
Sir, understood.
Understood.
Great. So one more time, I am explaining the question. I was inking the marker.
Okay, sir.
Wait.
Sir, please tell again.
Yeah, I'm explaining. Just wait. So yeah, question says that 210 men are hired to build a house in 60 days. तो 10 आदमी काम करेंगे तो 60 days में the house will be built. They work for 12 days. These 210 men work for 12 days. That means if they continue to work, they will take 48 days more to build the house. अगर हम मान लेते हैं 70 men नहीं आ रहे हैं, then 210 men will take 48 more days to complete the house because they have already worked for 12 days. So after 12 days कितने और दिन लगेंगे उनको? अगर ये आदमी काम कर रहे हैं, how many days more they are going to take? They will take 48 days more. But actually what happened? 70 more men came to help. 70 more men came. Now how many men are there? 280 men are there. So if 280 men are working,
280.
then they will complete the work in how many days? So this is your question. How will you show all this in statements? Do you all know this, or I should help you with the statements?
So we can.
Sir, please.
Sir, we can.
Yeah,
Sir,
tell.
we can.
Sir, the equation would
If
be
you want, I can help.
210 into 40.
Sir,
please
please
tell
tell
how
the
can we write?
statement of this question.
Okay, I'll tell.
Sir, done the question. Sir, completed.
Sir, done the question completed.
Very good, beta.
Sir, done.
Two 210 men required 60 days to build a house. Now they worked for
12 days.
12 days. They worked for 12 days. That is number of days work left for 210 men. How many days work is left? If they have already worked for 12 days, total number of days they
48.
required to work was for 60.
48.
How many days work is left? It is 60 minus 12.
48.
That is 48 days. Okay. 48 days work is left. Now,
Sir, I've sent the question number 9 on WhatsApp. Please check it.
when arrived. Beta, you can post your work in the group. I will check. 70 more men arrived. Now, 280 men. How many men are there now? 280 men are there. Do the work. In equal to 210 into 48 upon 280. These many days. To simplify this, your answer is 3 into 12, that means 36 days.
So
You
36
have got
days.
this answer only?
Sir, I have also sent the question. Please check it.
Beta, not right now, after the class.
So we can
The
cut every
answer
time
is
we-
correct. Yes,
Your
sir,
answer
answer is correct.
Sir,
36
if,
days.
one,
Yes.
sir, if there is in the numerator,
Yes, sir.
so
I
every
Sir, done.
Very good. So 36 days these 280 men will take to finish the work? Yeah, any doubt in the question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt.
Let's do the 10th one. Very good. Let's start with the 10th one.
A military camp has provisions for 630 men.
The 10th one.
How many men should be transferred to
Yeah,
another
10.
camp to the food basket?
Beta, please turn off your mic. अंश पटेल तुम माइक ऑन करके भूल जाती हो बार बार.
भूल जाता हूँ.
हाँ मत भूला करो बेटा.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have done the exercise and I need to do the breakfast. So can I leave, sir?
You have done this. नहीं बेटा, you have to attend the class. You can
Okay, sir.
have your breakfast simultaneously. Attend the class and have your breakfast.
So which chapter we will do next?
This facility you have because you are at your home. You can attend the classes and have the breakfast both at the same time. Yes, tell me.
So which chapter we will do next?
That I will decide after completing the chapter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So next question, question number 10. A military camp has provisions for 630 men to last for 25 days. How many men must be transferred to another camp so that the food lasts for 30 days? Okay. So 630 men. There is provision for 630 men for 25 days. 25 days the food hai for how many men? 630 men. I want the food to last for 30 days. I want the food to last for 30 days. Now, I want the food to last for 30 days. For this, what I have to do? I have to send some men from these, out of these 630, somewhere else. इनको कहीं भगाना पड़ेगा इनमें से कुछ आदमियों को. Yes or no?
Inverse variation.
If less men will be there, only then the food will last for more days. Yes or no? If men will be less, then only
Yes,
food
sir.
will last for more days.
Sure.
So that means I will have to send some men somewhere else. Now, you will find this. First, let us find out if I want the food to last for 30 days, then how many men should be there? First of all, you will find out this. How many men should be there? तो वो जो आएगा, suppose मान लेते हैं 500 आया. Let us assume the 500 men should be there in the camp. Then how many men should be transferred? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 130 men should be transferred. Yes or no? 630 minus 500. 130 men को यहाँ से भगाना पड़ेगा.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So this is the question.
Sir, 525 men.
Yeah. So first you find out this thing. It is an easy one. Inverse variation, you all have understood that it is having inverse variation. So first find out
Yes, sir.
number of men should be there in the camp. Camp है क्या है? Whatever it is. Yeah, camp. Number of men should remain in the camp equal to 630 into 25 upon 30. So you will get 525, sorry. If suppose the meeting ends, all of you listen very carefully. If suppose the meeting ends after 40 minutes, you have to quickly rejoin the meeting by clicking on the same link which I sent on WhatsApp. Click on the same link again and rejoin
Okay,
the
sir.
meeting. Okay. For 5
Sir, I
minutes.
got the answer.
You have to rejoin for 5 minutes.
Sir, 525 men will eat food in 30 days.
Yes. So that means how many men are to be transferred? 630 minus 525.
105.
Sir, 105 men.
Number of men. Number of men should remain in the camp. That is 630 into 25 upon 30. So when you solve this, you get 525 men. Okay. Number of men to be transferred. In the last, you have to write these statements. Number of men to be transferred. तो एक एक्स्ट्रा काम करना है इस क्वेश्चन में. 630 minus 525, this will give you 105 men. 105 men should be transferred.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, I have also done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Very good. Let's move on to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Can you try the 11th one on your own?
Okay, sir.
Okay, try it right now. I'm giving you time.
Okay, sir.
Do the 11th one. Try to understand the question on your own and do it.
Sir, done question number 10.
Okay. You have to do 11th one.
Sorry, sir. That one only. 11th one I have done.
Okay,
Sir,
good.
I have also done. Aditya, please mute yourself.
Let's please mute your mic. Mute yourself.
Sir, the answer is 260 days.
Okay.
Yes, sir, the answer is 260 days.
Sir, I've sent the answer in group. Please check it.
Okay.
Yes, sir, the answer is 260 days.
A group of 120 men had provisions for 200 days. After 5 days, 30 men died due to an epidemic. Similar to question number 9, I think. Very similar. The concept is similar. After 5 days, 30 men died due to an epidemic. How?
Sir, after question 10, which question we have to do?
11th, I have given you 11th to do on your own. I have given it to try.
Okay,
Sir, done 11.
Very good.
Sir, I have also done.
Sir,
लो किशु ये सिखा दो बेटा हमको भी और भैया को भी जरा आज सिखा देना लो किशु लो तुम तुम्हारी दीदी जाके जो है उसके बाद साइंस की है वो करना है
please mute yourself.
Peter, please keep your mic off always. Make this a habit, everyone. Okay, don't forget to mute yourself. Some of you are not in a habit. Most of you are. So 120 men had.
Sir, I have done the 12th one also.
Okay. 120 men had provisions for 200 days in the starting. After 5 days, 30 men died. So if the meeting ends, join it. Rejoin the meeting.